Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Nuroum OpenEar Pro 2. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. User manual, warranty card, quick start guide, we have this Bluetooth USB. If you don't have a Bluetooth connectivity at your PC or laptop, you can use that and connect the Ear Pro with your device. Otherwise, you don't need that, connect it directly. The cable, type A to type C, 80 cm the length. You need to charge this Bluetooth device. Made with soft silicone material for maximum comfort, so you can easily forget you are wearing it. Nice, I like that. The Type-C port. You need a 5 volt 1 amp or you can use a power bank. Red light is charging, when goes to green is fully charged. A full 2-hour charge provides 12 hours of talk time or 15 hours of music playback. Nice. Lighter than ever before at only 31 grams, perfect for extended use during calls, meetings or music. Sealing the Type-C port. We have an adjustable microphone here. You can wear it just like that and adjust it. Close, open, flexible, with soft materials. We have a button here to mute and unmute the microphone. Here it is the microphone. I like it, very soft materials. Nuroum. And of course here, left and right, we have the speakers. Uses Hi-Fi 4 DSP and an advanced bass enhancement algorithm to ensure you hear every word clearly without distortion, with powerful deep bass. Definitely I will test it. Very flexible. Same in here. Now let's see what buttons we have. The multifunctional button here, power on off button. You can use it to turn it on or turn it off, play or pause the music, pair and unpair. And of course we have the increasing and decreasing volume buttons too. Not only you can decrease and increase the volume, you can press and hold for 1 second, goes to next track or the previous track, depending which button you will press. I will show you. And of course with the power on off button you can accept or reject calls, and during calls you can mute or unmute the microphone with this button. One touch is all it takes to adjust the volume, mute and unmute during calls, play or pause audio. Now let's turn it on and pair with my smartphone, press and hold for 3 seconds. We can hear a voice, power on pairing mode. And here it is, OpenEar Pro. Pair and connect it. So easy. Call and audio. And with the power button, press and you can play music. Pause. Play again. 1 second goes to the previous song with the decrease button, and the decrease button goes forward. So easy to adjust. And of course you can decrease or increase the volume. the sound quality. Strong bass. Very clear sound. Multi-function button and pause. You can resume, press for 1 second, and you can activate the assistant. I like it. And with the Bluetooth 5.3 multi-point technology, this headset can pair up to 2 devices simultaneously, so you can switch between them with ease for seamless connection and improved work efficiency. Go at your Bluetooth settings on your first device and turn off the Bluetooth. You will hear the sound pairing, and then go to the second device. There it is, OpenEar Pro. Pair. Connected. And switch on again the first device. Connected, we can see, simultaneously at 2 devices. And play the music from the first device. If you want to use the second device, play music and stop the music from the first device. So easy. And of course you can do that and with other devices such as laptop, PC, using this Bluetooth dongle. Now of course this is not only for listening music. You can use it at your work, accepting calls for a meeting, and with the ENC noise cancellation keeps your communication clear in noisy environments. In a moment I will record a conversation and see the differences. And of course with IPX6 water resistant, worry less about splashes and light spills. The microphone's water resistant acoustic mesh ensures your work headset stays protected in a variety of work environments. Now let's test the ENC technology. Connected at this smartphone it is the OpenEar Pro, and I will record my voice from the microphone. And from this smartphone I will play a loud music. With Hi-Fi 4 DSP and ENC technology, the Nuroum wireless headset with mic for work eliminates background noise, ensuring clear, seamless communication for calls and meetings. Large drivers deliver powerful sound and deep bass. Designed for all-day comfort, it eliminates pressure while allowing ambient noise awareness for safety. And that wraps up our review of the Nuroum OpenEar Pro 2. With its innovative open-ear design, advanced ENC noise cancelling microphone and Bluetooth 5.3 multi-point connectivity, it's a versatile choice for professionals on the go. Whether you are working from home, commuting or engaging in outdoor activities, this headset offers comfort and clarity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews and tips. If you want to find out more about this product and where you can buy it, you can check down below the description. Have you tried the Nuroum OpenEar Pro 2? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.